Hello teachers! Welcome to our tutorial on the Conmigo Writing Coach tool. Today we'll explore how this innovative resource can enhance your students' writing skills and support their learning journey while providing you with deeper insights into your students' thoughts while writing. Let's dive into using Writing Coach to facilitate an essay assignment with your students. You can find Writing Coach from the Conmigo menu at the top of the page. Once you're in the tool, you will see 3 tabs on the left: Assignments, My Essays, and About Writing Coach. To assign an essay, stay in the Assignments tab. From here, simply click on the blue Create Assignment button to get started. You will now be able to set your assignment details. First, provide an assignment title. This should be something easily identifiable for students. Next, select the grade level. At this time, the lowest level you may choose is 7th grade. While younger students may still utilize the tool, they may need more support understanding Conmigo's suggestions. Then, choose the essay type. The options are persuasive argumentative, explanatory expository, or literary analysis. Now it is time to input your essay prompt. When developing your prompt, make sure to use as many specific details as possible when describing the requirements and expectations for the essay. The clearer the instructions, the better support Conmigo will be able to provide for students. If you're struggling with composing a strong prompt, try using Conmigo's various teacher tools for inspiration. After setting the essay details, the last step is to choose the parameters. You can select which classes or students should receive the assignment and pick the start and due dates. Once you're done editing the assignment, click the blue Create Assignment button. Students will find their assignment in the My Essays list within Writing Coach. From here, they simply select the essay to begin their work. To complete the essay, students must work through 4 key stages of the writing process. The first stage is understanding. Here, students may use the Conmigo chat to ask any questions they have about the essay prompt or expectations. This is a great place for students to clarify anything that they may find confusing. Conmigo is always patient and never judgy, so students can feel comfortable asking the questions they may be afraid to ask out loud. The second stage is outlining. Taking time to plan before drafting a piece of writing is crucial. However, it is a step that students often overlook. With Conmigo, students are guided through the outlining process to ensure that they are prepared to begin writing. The outline is flexible, meaning students have the ability to add or delete parts of the essay as needed. However, the claim or thesis must be completed before the student may move on to the next stage. While outlining, students have access to both the essay prompt and the Conmigo chat. Students can ask Conmigo for help if they're stuck or to check the work they've done so far. If Conmigo's responses are a little too complex, students can ask for simplification or turn on Conmigo Voice to hear them out loud. After planning their essays in the outlining stage, students move into the drafting stage. In this third step, students have access to their outlines from which they may copy and paste pieces of their essay, as well as the Conmigo chat and the essay prompt. Just like in the outlining stage, Conmigo is available to coach students through the drafting process without doing any of the writing for them. When their first drafts are complete, students may submit their writing for feedback and begin the final stage, revising. During the revising stage, Conmigo provides feedback and praise for the essay's introduction, evidence and reasoning, structure, conclusion, and style and tone. Students can click on each piece of feedback and interact with Conmigo while making their revisions. When they're happy with their final drafts, they may hit the blue Complete button to export their essays. For teachers, Writing Coach provides an insights report to track their students' progress and dig into their whole writing process. From the report home, teachers will see the students, their progress, the last time they updated, how much time they've spent, the word count, the amount of feedback received and resolved, and the level of originality concerns. The originality report will notify teachers of any portions of the outline or essay that were pasted in. When focusing on specific essays, teachers will see the essay history to the left of the draft. This history will show how much time the student spent during each session in Writing Coach. Clicking into the session will reveal the work the student did during the time along with any chats they had with Conmigo. This level of transparency allows teachers to understand what their students were thinking or where they were struggling while composing their essays. It is a great place to reveal strengths or uncover common misconceptions. In the essay history, teachers will also be able to jump straight to any originality concerns to see exactly what the student pasted into their outline or draft. Here, I can see that this student pasted in her entire conclusion, so I know that I should have a chat with her about this part of her essay. When reviewing the work done in the revising stage, teachers will have access to all of Khanmigo's suggestions along with any chats the students had about them. The Khanmigo Writing Coach is a powerful tool that empowers students to take charge of their writing development. By providing personalized feedback, it helps them become more confident and skilled writers. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you find the Khanmigo Writing Coach tool beneficial for your classroom. Happy teaching!